overcome personal barriers, and become a change agent in the process of embracing and managing change. Hey everyone, I am Wong. I am a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. In this video, I share about how to embrace and manage change. These two concepts are interdependent of each other. The idea is for you to create a positive change in your environment, usually in the workplace. You can do this by making small changes in your behavior, and this includes yourself or your team members. Part of doing this exercise of embracing change is by identifying the change barriers and look out for the challenges and the gaps that you need to overcome. Then you align your strategies of change and you do the organizational change yourself. Once you have applied the change process, it is time for the next step. In this step of exciting time, you manage the change in your organization or business. And that is why the first step is to embrace the change for acceptance. And later, once that is done, you move on to managing the change because you are convinced already that you and the change are worth to go through. And from there, you are confident to influence others to manage the change together. Be inspired in your change and take your leadership initiative to make a difference through change. That's how you embrace and manage change. Of course, there are a lot more details regarding this. If you have any questions, just post your comments below. I will look through and we shall have another session to discuss about embracing and managing change.